Study Hub. Hi, I am Pooja and I am an ACCA affiliate. Today I will be helping you navigate through the ACCA Study Hub and how you can access and use it for your exams. Let us begin with what is the Study Hub. The ACCA Study Hub is an online portal which is ACCA's pool of resources that you can use for your exams. Let us begin. First, you have to log in through your My ACCA. Then, you have to go to My Qualification, wherein you will find a link to go to the ACCA Study Hub. When you click on that, you will be taken to the dashboard. Now, there may be a few server issues that you may face here. What you can do is simply reload this screen and the issue will be resolved. Once you are here, you will see a bunch of options. First is the dashboard, which will show your overall progress. Then the courses that are in progress will be shown in progress. Courses that you haven't started yet will appear here, and courses that you've completed will appear here. Let us choose a subject. I will start with performance management. Once you click on study, you will be taken here. So this is how the hub looks. You see chapters here. These are all the chapters that are there in performance management paper. Each chapter has volumes which you can study in detail. Then we have flashcards here, which is available for a quick revision. This covers every volume that there was under the chapters section. Then we have quizzes here, which again can be taken for a quick revision. There are quizzes for each chapter here with 5 questions. Lastly, we have a comprehensive practice page wherein there are OTQ questions, there are revision case study questions, and there are constructed response questions. This is a full paper coverage and you can use this for your practice for preparing for the exam. Now I see that there is a lot of confusion as to which study resource should we use. ACCA will not be approving DPP and Kaplan content anymore. But does that mean we shouldn't use them anymore? No. Now, the ACCA Study Hub is a great resource to use for your exams, but it is not printable yet. Now, ACCA content does not hugely vary on a year-on-year basis, and even if it does, DPP and Kaplan will ensure that their books are up to date. So what you should do is use ACCA Study Hub and DPP and Kaplan content in conjunction to ensure that you are headed towards success. Along with that, you should also practice a minimum of 3 mocks on the practice platform to ensure that you covered all your bases. That is about it. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to comment down below and we will be happy to resolve it. Thank you.